My name is Siti Nabiha binti Muhammad Kamal. My metric number 291446. So I will present about Sharia contract, Ar-Rahnu and Kafalah. Apakah in Islamic banking is a joint enterprise or partnership structure in Islamic finance in which partners share in the profits and losses of an enterprise. Next, product features and benefits. For Bank Muamalat, what is the product about? Basic Savings Accounts I is a Sharia compliant product. It opens to all Malaysian citizens and permanent residents. This deposit product is protected by Perbadanan Insurance Deposit Malaysia (PIDM) up to RM250,000 for each depositors. The benefits from this for individuals open to residents and non-residents who have attained the age of 18 years and above. Trust accounts for children below 18 years old. For corporate, is a club, societies, association, and many more. Next, Maybank. What is this product about? The product is a mortgage loan or credit facility secure against residential or commercial properties. Nonetheless, additional securities such as fixed deposits, guarantors, ads may be requested depending on the credit assessment. For the benefits, financing purchase of residential or commercial properties in Malaysia, financing purchase of residential properties in London, Melbourne, Sydney, Perth, and Singapore. And lastly, remote gates of a property free from encumbrances or debt in Malaysia, and many more. We move to fees and charges. For Bank Muamalat savings account, minimal fees for accounts maintenance, ATM, withdrawals, and statement requests. Financing charges full late payment, yearly statement fees for financing products, and administrative fees. For credit cards, annual fees, late payment charges, and cash advance fees. From a bank, savings account, fees for maintenance minimum balance, ATM transaction, and issuing bank draft. Financing includes processing fees, early statement penalties, and late payment charges for loans. Credit cards, annual fees, service tax, and fees for late payments or exceeding credit limits. Moving on interest rate, Bank Muamalat Islamic principle. Use profit sharing or fixed structures instead of interest, adhering to Sharia principle. For example, a Mudarabah contract involves a cost plus profit agreement. Profit rates determined based on the type of product and underlying Sharia contract. Maybank conventional products offers interest-bearing product with competitive rate based on market condition. Islamic products use profit sharing rates for Islamic financing, which are calculated differently from conventional interest rates. For instance, profit rates for Islamic home financing depend on the ijarah or musyarakah mutanaqisah principle. Lastly, security and protection. For Bank Muamalat digital security, utilize secure login methods, including PIN and biometric authentication for online banking. Deposit protection. Eligible deposits are protected by Perbadanan Insurance Deposit Malaysia (PIDM), ensuring the safety of depositors' funds. For Maybank, advanced security, implement multi-factor authentication, secure transaction protocols, and encryption for online and mobile banking. Deposit protection, deposits are insured under PIDM, providing additional security to customers' funds.
So today I would like to present about Islamic financial issue related to the PDS of Bank Muamalat. So the issue is transparency issues. What is meaning of financial transparency? Refer to the extent to which a company provide clear, accurate, and accessible information about financial performance, operation, and financial position. So, based on these issues, lack of clarity and completeness in listing and explaining fees can lead to unexpected costs for customer. So if the fee are not transparently communicate to customer might feel misled about the total cost of product. Second is complexity in explaining how profit rates are calculated or applied, especially in Islamic finance. The way profit is factored into monthly payments might not be clear. So is leading to confusion to the customer. Lack of justification for service charge and failure to disclose hidden or additional charge upfront can lead to customer dissatisfaction and unexpected costs. So there is a charge for managing the financing account, and customer not informed of the exact amount and the reason for discharge, it can lead to dissatisfaction and distrust. So, Bank Muamalat offers several important aspects that customer need to understand based on their PDS, product disclosure sheet. First is the profit rates. They charge 4.1%. It refers to the profit rate that will be applied to the amount of financing provided by the bank. Number two is processing fee. So, Bank Muamalat state processing fee is 1,200. This fee is charged to process the customer financing application. The fee must be paid at the beginning of the process, and it is mandatory. So number three is customer service. Customer service for Bank Muamalat has rating of 4.2 out of 5. So this indicates a relative high level satisfaction among their customer. This rating is important to give new customer confidence. So lastly is terms up financing. It offers a period up to 30 years, providing customer with flexibility in choosing repayment terms that suits their financial capability. However, customer need to consider the early settlement penalty of 1.5%. This means that customer wish to settle the financing earlier than the agreed terms, they will have a pay penalty of 1.5% of the outstanding financing balance. So that's all from me. Thank you.
My name is Nuridatul Azhar Binta Aziz, nombor metrik 292356. I want to talk about Islamic finance issue related to the state PDF of Maybank. First, Sharia compliant. Sharia compliant is a cornerstone of Islamic finance, requiring all financial activity to adhere strictly to Islamic law. This compliance is structured to ensure that the financial product and service offered are halal and avoid prohibition. For example, prohibition of riba. Islamic finance strictly prohibits the payment or receipt of interest. Instead of interest-based finance, profits are generated through equity participation, joint venture, and risk-sharing arrangement. For Maybank PDS, this means structuring debt securities in ways to avoid interest. Secondly, avoidance of haram. Contracts and financial products must avoid uncertainty. This requires clear terms and conditions in financial transactions, transparency and fairness. For PDS, the contract must clearly outline the rights and obligations of all parties involved. Also, avoiding speculative practice. Secondly, liquidity management. In Islamic finance, present unique challenge due to prohibition of conventional interest-based instrument and the need of Sharia compliance. Effective liquidity management is essential to ensure financial stability and operational efficiency. For example, prohibition of conventional instrument. Islamic bank cannot use conventional interbank borrowing and lending mechanism. This restriction necessitates the development of Sharia compliant, also liquidity management tools.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamualaikum. My name is Anissa Farhana binti Syafandi. My metric number is 2946986. Okay, today I will present about comparison product disclosure sheet between Maybank and Bank Muamalat. The comparison between Maybank and Bank Muamalat, their distinct approach to banking and financial disclosure. Maybank focus on conventional financial product with interest-based return and fee structure. While Bank Muamalat adhere to Syariah principle with musyarakah-based financing and profit sharing arrangement. Okay, let's move to the first one, which is we focus on Maybank PDS. Okay, in Maybank PDS we have two types, which is personal loans and saving account. Okay, for the personal loans, The PDF for personal loan outline the interest rate structure, typically using a simple interest calculation method. And then for the saving account, Maybank PDS explain the interest accrual process, often based on the daily balance and credit periodically. Okay, next let's move to the Bank Muamalat PDS. In Bank Muamalat PDS, we have musyarakah based financing. What is musyarakah based financing? Okay, the PDS detail musyarakah partnership where the bank and the customer jointly invest in project or asset. Okay, and the second one is Islamic saving account. Saving products such as mudarabah account are offered where profit are generated are shared between depositor and the bank based on profit sharing ratio. Okay, next we will continue with type. Okay, next we go to the difference between Maybank and Bank Muamalat PDS. Like we know, Maybank is a conventional banking, while the Bank Muamalat is Islamic banking. We have a few aspects that show their differences. First, we start with interest method. For the Maybank interest method, they use is simple interest for loans and daily interest for saving. And then for the Bank Muamalat, they use the profit sharing based on the musyarakah, wadiah, mudarabah, and principal. Okay, next is fee structure. For the fee structure, processing fees, service fees, and late payment penalty are used by Maybank, or we call it as conventional banking. And then for the Bank Muamalat, they use Sharia compliant fees, transparency disclose. And then for the risk disclosure, Maybank use credit risk, market risk. And then for the Bank Muamalat, they use partnership risk, Sharia compliance considerations. And then for the aspect of terms and conditions, Maybank use the standard banking terms and condition, the normal one. But the Bank Muamalat, they use on the based on Sharia compliant terms governance musyarakah agreements. For the example, Maybank PDS describe interest rate calculation, fee structure, or the example, for example, like processing fees, late payment penalties, and repayment terms of personal loans. For the Bank Muamalat, the example of the PDS context is musyarakah structure for home financing, detailing how the bank and the customer jointly own the property, share profit from rental income, and distribute proceeds from the sale based on intentional ownership ratio. That's all from me.
My name is Nur Aisha binti Abdul Rahim. My number metric is 291791. Okay, for the future improvement for Maybank is to ensure ongoing Sharia compliance. Maybank should implement more frequent and throughout internal and external Sharia audits alongside obtaining regular certifications. This rigorous auditing process will help identify and rectify any compliance issue promptly. Concurrently, Maybank should develop comprehensive educational programs and materials to help customers understand the Sharia principle behind their products. This initiative could include workshops, webinars, and detailed guides aimed at enhancing customer knowledge and confidence in their bank Islamic finance offering. Okay, for the next improvement is to enhance liquidity management. Maybank should invest in a broader range of Sharia compliance investment options such as sukuk, Islamic money market instruments, and other permissible financial assets that ensure liquidity while adhering to Islamic principles. Additionally, forming a strategic partnership with other Islamic financial institutions can lead to the development of innovative liquidity management solutions. This collaboration can create a pool liquidity arrangement, share investment vehicle, and cooperative risk management strategies. Also, this can benefiting the Islamic finance industry as a whole and enhancing Maybank ability to manage liquidity effectively.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Fatihah binti Safri and my metric number is 292126. Today, I will explain about future improvement in muamalat. In order to enhance bank muamalat prospect, a number of strategies and action may be used to guarantee continuous growth and increase market competitiveness. These are some recommendations. First, by extending loan for renewable energy project and reducing the carbon footprint of the bank activities, Bank Muamalat may implement green initiatives such as green banking and eco-friendly investment to ensure sustainability and corporate social responsibility (CSR). Furthermore, bank may assist communities by means of financial assistance and educational initiatives. Example of this include scholarship given to deserving students, training and capital access for small business owners, and participation in projects aimed at developing community infrastructure. By means of this project, Bank Muamalat not only satisfy its social obligation but also cultivates strong and productivity partnership with the local community. Second, by expanding digital banking and developing new solutions, Bank Muamalat may improve the innovation of its offering. This pertains to digital banking and entail enhancing online banking security and developing more user-friendly mobile apps to safeguard client information. Financial activities like online payment and quick loan can also be made easier by fintech technology. In addition, the development of new Sharia compliant financial products like digital saving account and green investment product would draw in contemporary clients seeking for morally and ecologically sound financial option. In addition to rising client happiness, this innovation support Bank Muamalat ability to remain competitive in the expanding banking sector. And long-term success for Bank Muamalat depend on its ability to engage its customer, which may be done through loyalty programs and consumer feedback. Establishing efficient line of communication such media social, call centers, and digital platform makes it simple for consumer to offer feedback, which aid bank in identifying area for development and improvement. Furthermore, loyalty program that offer unique discount, point incentive, and other perks to devoted clients motivate them to keep using the bank services. Both strategies increase client happiness, build enduring bond, and cultivate an important client. By combining these strategies, Bank Muamalat is able to improve client value, solidify its place in the market, and guarantee ongoing long-term growth.